Now the concept is the nested dictor. Nested dictor means a dict in the another dict. A dict in another dict. Okay. So I'm going to create a nested dictionary. Just observe now. I'll open a new file. All of you. And ideally, I'll open the new file. Right. I'll take the new file. I'll save the file. I will save the file. Control S. I'm taking now Python at something 8 a.m. guys. My file name I'm taking the Python at 8 a.m. and automatically the extension is .py. The same file daily we use to make the program. So you can see now it is showing now the file name, and the path of the file. In this location, the file is saved, guys. Okay. So now I'm going to create a nested dictionary. Right. I want to talk about employees. Employees, the dictionary name. In that one, the first key is a employee one, for example. It's the first key. And the value is again dictionary. The value is a dictionary. In that one, employee one, I take the suppose name. The name is, for example, Sai. Again, we'll take suppose salary. Salary is something 20,000 like this. Two pairs or name, Sai. Salary 20,000. Next one, let's take age. Age is something 24 years. 24, and then I'll take suppose company is, I'll take something TCS company, right? Now in the main dictionary, one pair is over. First key, and this is the value, guys. This all is the value. That value is again a dictionary. In the second dictionary, again key value pairs are there, right? Means now one pair is over. The second pair is about second employee. I'll take suppose employee 2. I'll take now employee 2. And again employee 2 value. I'll take again some key value pairs. I'll take the name. The name is Nani here. We'll take suppose salary. Salary. The salary is something 25,000. Right. Next one now. Let's take the age. Age is of 25 years. Then we'll take the company. Company is suppose we pro like this. Now two pairs over. I'll take the third pair, employee 3, right? Again, take the name. The name is, let's take some names Satya, and let's take take all lowercase only. We'll take the salary. The salary is something 22,000, right? And age. We'll take the age. The age is something 21 years, and company. The company is Infosys. That's all. So here I have taken all the same keys, right? In the sub dictionaries, I have taken here all the names again salary, again age and the company. Means for every person I have taken the same keys, right? But that is not a mandatory. You can take different keys also. No need to take the same keys for all the people. You take the different keys also. That's our choice. Now creating a nested dictionary is done. I want display. Then I take here print of EMP, print of EMP. Now after making the program in the ideally file, then we have run the file. How to run the file? Just go to the run option, then run module. Click this one. Otherwise, shortcut is what now? F5. Shortcut is F5. So F5 means it supports a function button and F5 button. Function F5, right? Or Alt F5. Some keyboard supports Control F5 like this. So in my laptop, hold the function button and click on F5 button. Hold the F5, sorry, function, and click on the F5 button. Then you can see source must be saved. Okay, to save. So what does it mean? Means already the file is saved, right? Already file saved. After file saving, I done the some coding, right? Done the some coding here. That code we want to save now. Okay, save it and then run. See, save before run. Yes, save before run. So saved it and running now. Okay. Now it's a error coming here. What is error? See, saying that name error. Name EMP is not defined. Did you mean EMPS? Means it's saying that EMPS is defined, but not the EMP. See, EMPS is defined, but I'm using what now? EMP using. So it's saying that you are using the name EMP, but EMP is not defined. So defined, you cannot use it. That's why I use the same name EMPS, employees. Employees, you can see now, all data coming. So first employee and then his details. Or again, the second employee, and again his details. Then third employee, again his details like this. Okay. This is what now displaying all of you. So displaying all employees details, for example, like this. Or suppose now I want to display only employee one details. I don't want to display all employees details. Only employee one details. Or only employee two details. Or only employee three specific employee. So at the point now, so displaying suppose employee one details. Employee one details. So in this case, so employee one means, see, if I take the EMPS, means dict name at that time, entire dict will coming, right? Entire dict means all key values pairs, all key value pairs coming, okay? But now I want to display only which one employee one detail. This one I want to display, right? At that time, how this will represent? So this is the EMPS. In EMPS, which one? EMP1 only. Means EMPS of EMP1. EMPS of EMP1. If you remember yesterday, we have seen card operations. In the card operations, how to get the values. So this is the value, right? This is the one value of EMP1 key. So dict of key, then corresponding value will come. Corresponding value will come. So dict of what dict name EMPS of key. What is the key name? EMP1. That's all. This is what I'm going to print now. This is what I'm going to print. So print off like this. And the above one, I'll make it comment. Okay. So now run this one. Only EMP1 data display. Only EMP1 data displaying here. Right? So means, see, yesterday I have seen, yesterday what we discussed means, we discussed about card operations, right? In the card operations, CUR, R for what? Retrieve the details, retrieve the keys of values of the key. At the time, there are two ways are there. One is by using like this indexing format. The second one by using get function also. Get function means in the dictionary dot get off, what's one here? EMP1. EMP1, okay, get off EMP1, then print out. So these are the two ways to get the values of a specific key. This is the value of the EMP1 key. Value of the EMP1 key. Allowed, right? Suppose the next one is, sir, I want to display all details of employee 3. Employee 3. In that case, what we do not live in now? Employee 3 means directly if I take the employee 3 don't come. Suppose if I take print of employee 3 like this, print of employee 3, print of employee 3, no, it will not come. It says that employee 3 is not defined. Did you mean employees? It says that employee 3 is not defined. Employee 3 is what? Not defined. So there are guys, okay? Employee 3 is not defined. Employee 3 is not defined. Did you mean employees? That means so employee 3 is not a variable, right? It's not a object now. Employee 3 is part of which one? Is part of the employees. That's why take the employees of employee 3. Employees of then employee 3 like this. Then only it gives a corresponding value, Satya, like this. All of you. Okay. This is what now displaying the employee 3 values, guys. Right. Suppose the next one is I want to display employee 3 or employee 2 name. name. What is the name? Nani, right? Apply to name. Now, guys, if you reply, how it's possible now? How it's possible? I want display employee three name, employee three name. Tell me now, guys. Okay, so displaying employee three name. How it's possible? All of you have the chat box. We reply, guys. I want display employee three name. Let's go reply. So employees of employee three of name. Right. You are right, but with a small change. With a small change. Let's see now. So employees of employee three. So employee two na okay, employee three name, right? Employee three name. Okay. Employees of employee three. If run this one, then this entire dictionary will come, right? Sir, no. All of you. If run this one, okay. So if I run this one, then this is the output. It is the output, right? Means the name of this subdictionary is employees of employee three. Employees of employee three. The name of this subdictionary is which one? Employees of employee two. Employees of employee two. Next, the name of this subdictionary is what here? Employees of employee one. Employees of employee one. The name of this main dictionary is what here? Employees. Is what here? Employees. All of you. Why I'm saying this much more details about this dictionary means in the coming days we're going to make at least 3-4 assignments on dictionary only. 3-4 assignments on dictionary concept, guys. Very, very important. That's why I'm going in detail here. Okay. So now, what is the name of the sub-dictionary? Name of this one is what now? Employees of employee three, right? In that, I want the value of which one? Value of the key. Value of the key. What is key here? Name. So this is the dictionary of a key. I'll take the key here now. We'll take the key outside. Key outside. See, first of all, see what is happening there initially. This is dictionary. For that one, this is the key. So that this entire data will come. This entire row will come. In that one, now I want to work on this one. At that time, this will be the name. Name of which one? This of dictionary. On that one, I want to work on the specific key. Again, give the key beside. We have to specify the key beside like that. Okay. Means we specify the name beside like this. Which one I want like this? Employees of employee three. In employee three, name. I want display. Then print of name. Print of name. You can see now. Satya. Satya. Are you clear now? Swapna Garu and Ashish. Okay, we should take the beside, not inside. We should don't take inside that name. Right? Very good. Right. So next one, if you reply, we want display the salary of employee one. I want display salary, right? Let me know. displaying the salary of employee one, guys. Salary of employee one. Salary of employee one. Anurag. Ayush, again you made mistake. Ayush and Sapna Garu. So you should take, okay, observe now. The keys must be in the always single quotes. Remember, the keys must be in the single quotes always, must be in the quotes. The keys, okay? That means first employees, which one go to the employee one. Employee one go to which one salary like this. Salary. That salary we want to display. That salary we want to display like this. Right? The keys always must be taken inside the quotes. Inside the quotes. All of you. Okay. So just these are the basic programs, guys. These are just very, very basic. Suppose if you want to work the next level questions, next level means like display all employees names, or display all salaries, or display all ages, or like display the age of Sai, or display the salary of Nani, or display the employee who is youngest employee. Youngest means as per the age, youngest employee name or oldest employee name, highest salaried employee, least salaried employee, or the employee who is working the TCS. Like these are the next level questions. For those questions, we should know the for loops and if conditions. For loops and if conditions. Because I want to get all the employees' names. Means I want to go to the first automatically employee one, get the name. I can go to employee two, get the name. I can employee three, get the name. We should go to each one automatically. For that one, we require the for loops. All of you. Okay, these are the basic. Directly I'm telling I employ one data, I employ two salary, employ three name like that. I'm telling it directly. But actual programs not like that. Display all employees names. Display the salary of Sai. A display the age of Nani. A display youngest employee name, oldest employee name, high salaried employee, least salaried employee like that. The questions will be there. Again, those questions we will see once that for loops and if conditions are completed. Means control statements are completed. Okay. And here, I'll take one more thing, guys. Now, I'll take one more. Suppose I will take employees, right? Employees means, let's take, for example, marks, guys. Okay. Marks, right? The marks, suppose I'll take, suppose 90 marks and some 89 marks, some 45 marks, some 8 like this. Just imagine now, in the company, they have some test is conducted, okay? In the test, these are the marks, guys. They got marks or points. All of observe now. So like this person has the marks, okay? And I'm taking this marks for here also. And I'm taking the marks here also like this. But we take the different value like this, all of very poor performance here like this. All of like this, some marks are there, okay? Just imagine like this. Now I'm asking display all marks of employee 3. Display displaying all marks of employee 3. Employee, let me know, guys. All marks of employee 3. All marks of employee 3. Same, right? First dictionary name. In that I said employee 3, right? Okay, employee 3 name. In that what is the key name marks? What is key name marks? That marks I want to display. You can see all marks are coming. It's that list will come. That list will come. Okay. Now, I don't want all marks. I want to display the highest marks of employee 2. In employee 2, what is the highest marks? In employee 2, what is the highest marks I want to display? I want to display the highest marks, guys. Highest marks. Tell me now. All of you. Displaying the highest marks. Same. Like this, get the list, right? Get the list, then max of list, then max of list. Okay. So displaying, okay. Displaying the highest marks of employee 2 like this. Same employees of, then I want to go to employee 2, right? Employee 2, then let's take the marks. Suppose if I run this one, then what comes now? List of all the marks will come, right? List of all the marks will come. Sorry, this is the key, right? Key must be in the codes. List of all the marks will come, okay? All marks will come. Then, so this is the list, right? The result of this one is what? List, guys. All of you. The list is result of what? Result of this entire employee 2 marks. All of remember, this list came not only because of marks. The list output came because of employees of employee 2 of marks. Because of all the output came, right? Then I'll take this one what now? Max of this list. Max of list. Then it displays the highest marks 89. Highest marks 89. That's all. All right. This list came. This list is result of what? Result of this all employees of employee 2 of marks. This is the list, right? List. Apply max of list. Then it gives max value. Okay. And the last one we'll discuss here. Displaying the total marks of employee 1, guys. Total marks of employee 1. I want to display the total marks of employee 1. The total marks of employee 1. Tell me now. Total marks I want to display, guys, right? Same employees. First go to employee 1. The employee 1 take the which one here marks. If run this marks, list will come, right? List will come. Sum of list, okay? Sum of list, then that list printing, right? That list printing here. So employee 2, employee 1 marks. Sorry, employees of, right? So this is what employees of employee 1. Okay, total marks is what here? 233 is the total marks. Okay. These are just basic programs, guys. Just basic things on dictionary. Okay. Once this control statements over, then we'll discuss the dictionary with the more examples in advanced level by keeping the filtering all. Okay. All right. This is the nested list, right? The same way, and one more thing, guys, that is the nested list also is there. Nested list, guys. All of observe. One more is what here? Nested list. Nested list. We'll discuss now nested list also. So it means what now? Tell me. It means list in the another list, right? List inside the another list. List inside the another list. Okay. Now let's take for example some list. Okay. List of. I'll take suppose some elements. Okay, like this, guys. In that one, I take one more sublist here, something like 1, 2, 3, and one more I take sublist here. Suppose A, okay, and B and C like this, and I take one more sublist here. Let's take, for example, true, right? False, 1, 0 like this. All of them. So this is what now? This is called the nested list, guys, right? Nested list. List inside the another list. Right. Just observe how to give index numbering on the nested list. Index numbering on the nested list. Okay. Right. Same guys here. It has both the forward index number, forward indexing, then and what here backward indexing, right? Forward and backward indexing. Both are there, right? Both are there. And the numbering is 0, right? And this all is the one guys. 1 and 20 is the 2. Okay. And the sublist is the index number 3. And 30 is the 4. And this is what here 5. And this is what now 6 like this. That means, so this is index number what now? Index number 1, this one. Next sublist, and this is index number 3. And this is what index number 5 here, up to here 5, like this. They're also same. Okay, this is what one element, right? And this is again another element here. And this is again another element. Okay. Right. So this will be -7. This is what here -7, -7. And this is what here -6, -6. Right. And this is what here -5, -5, -4, then -3. And this is what here -2. And this one is a -1. Forward, backward. Again, the sublist also has a both forward and backward guys. Sublist also has a both forward and backward index numbers. Sublist also. So here also with you index numbering. Here also with you which one not index numbering, right? So now this is what here. This is 0, right? This is 0. This is what 1. This is what 2, like this. And from the back side reverse. Okay, this is what now -3, -2, and then -1. That's all, right? Here also same. So this is what here 0, then this is what 1, this is what 2. -1, sorry, this is what here -3, right? -3, this is -2, and this one what here -1, like this. So this is this is 0, and this is what 1 now. 1 now, and this is what here 2, and this is 3. This is -4, and -3, and -2, then -1, like this. Right. So this is the nested list, guys. Okay, nested list, and the name that we give here something LST equal to LST equal to, guys. Okay, this name we are giving here LST equal to. Right. Now, all of you guys, you tell me. I take the same list here also. Right. Now LST of 0 we know, right? LST of 0. What is 0? 10. Okay. Now LST of one means what now? That's sublist, right? All of option now. In the list, what is the one? One means the sublist will come. Okay, sublist came, right? Sublist came. Now see the name of this list. The name of this list is what here list LST. Okay, LST is given. Now the name of this element. How to get the element here? LST of 0. 0 means this 10 will come. And so this one, all of you, how to call here? List of one. List of one means the sublist will come. List of one or else list of -6, guys. Okay. List of -6 means what this will come. In this again 0, 1, 2. So list of 1, 0 means this one will come now. List of 1 and 2. Sorry, 1, 1 means this 2 will come. And list of 1, 2 means this 3 will come like this. Means we give two index numbers, guys. Suppose the list of 1 means sublist will come, right? This will come, guys. Again here 0 means what? Again I'm giving 0. Again I'm giving 0. Now all of you guys will reply. What is 0 here? What is the 0, guys? List of 1, 0. 1, 0. What is the answer now? The answer is 1, right? Answer is 1. Next one now, I'll take here, suppose -1. Tell me now. What is the -1 now? 1 -1, guys. Okay. It's the combination. Stock 1, in that again -1. In that again -1. Right? That's fine. Suppose I'll take here list of suppose -2, then -1. Tell me now. All of you guys. What's the answer now? 0, right? 0. Suppose -2, -2, -2, -2. Right? This is what, guys, index. You can apply all the operations now. I'll take suppose -2, okay, and then I'll give suppose like this. Tell me now, what is the answer now? All of you guys. What is the now? 1, 0, right? 1, 0. 1, 0. So y means, see, -2. This is the -2, right, guys? This is the -2. That -2, what is starting value? -2. Ending is not there. So if ending is not there, it takes up to last one, right? Okay. Starting value -2. This is the -2 starting value. Starting value -2. Ending is not there. So up to last one here. Up to last one of the sublist. So answer is what now? 1, 0. 1, 0 is the answer. Okay. Right. Next one now. Suppose we take here something 3 like this. Let me know. All of you guys. The answer is ABC, right? The answer is ABC like this. So like this, perform indexing and slicing operations. Okay, slicing operations, guys. Next one, observe LST of one dot append of I'll take the true. I'll take the true. Tell me now what is happening here. Right? So means in the list of one, this true will add, guys. Okay, this true will add. So first list of one. What is list of one? This one, right? List of one. In the list of one, true append means the true will add at the end. The true will add here. So 1, 2, 3, true will come. 1, 2, 3, true, right? Like this. Print of what here? List. Print of list. You can see now. True adding now, right? True is adding. Next, list of suppose -2 dot extend of all of you. I am adding here A, B, C like this. So what happens here? You know what is happening here in -2? List of -2 means this one, right? And here, what is happening with this? A, B, C. Three elements will add. Three elements will add here. A, B, C, three elements adding, right? And the same insert also is there. List of one data. Suppose insert of what here at a 0, I want to add the true. At a 0, I want to add any number. Suppose I want to add the false. So means this 0 position false will add means in this case, right? Before this one, before that one, okay. So it will add, right? Like this. Okay, false 1, 2, 3 like that. No, the one is not replaced by false. Just inserting at 0 position, remaining the index number will adjust. It's not the meaning of replacing. Okay, right. That is the append extend, right? Remaining all options you can do here. Suppose I'm taking now one dot remove off. I want remove something two. So in the one means this is the one, right? So two will remove. Yes, this two will remove now, right? The two will remove. Yes, now check once list. You see now two is not there, right? Two is not there. Next list dot pop off. I am giving index number one. Pop off one. See in the list, guys. List means what? This all entire list. Pop one means what? This one, right? Index number one. That all will delete now. So output will be 10, 20 and continue, right? You can see now list, see 10, 20, between 10, 20, that list is deleted. Why? I take the pop of one in the main list of pop of one, okay? Like this. Next list dot, suppose if I take now empty pop, then what happens now? The last one will remove, right? The entire, see, here entire main list level. So last one will remove, 40 will remove. If I take suppose list of -2, then means what? This is the first -2. In the -2, empty pop means what here? The last one, C will delete here, right? C will delete, then print of list, you can see now, C is not there. List one, list dot, list of -2, dot clear. So clear means what does it do? It will remove all the elements. An empty list is the right. Empty list will be there. Empty list will be there. You can see now. Empty list, okay? Empty list is there. All data deleted, empty list is there. Allow. Right? Next one, so list of suppose two, list of two, then del space means item deletion, right? Item deletion. List of two means this one, and I'm deleting. Okay, deleting. Yes, that will delete. What is the list now? You can see now 10, 20, 30, empty list 40 like this. Like that, you can apply these all operations, guys. All of you. Okay, so it's all about what nested list and nested dictionary, guys. These concepts. All of you. The next session, what we do, we'll start the concepts, control statements, and then okay, we'll discuss there if conditions and for loops. Once those concept over, again we'll discuss nested list concept with the advanced level questions like for loops applying, while loops applying, and if conditions applying. Those all we'll discuss. Okay. Actually, we are about to send an assignment, madam. But today we'll send assignment. Okay. On the distance on this string list of only, right? Our assignment and theory questions we'll send you today. Right. Thank you a lot, guys. Bye.